Welcome back, creators! We're TrustedShoppingGuide.com, and today we're in the workshop. In this video, we'll be sharing with you our 7 highest rated cordless drills. Drills are a much needed tool in the household, but one thing hinders them from doing work all around the house: their power cord. Thankfully, cordless drills are highly versatile, light, powerful, and energy efficient, which is why many individuals prefer them over their corded counterparts. However, when you look online or in the hardware store, you'll find countless cordless drill options, making it challenging for you to find the ideal one for your workshop. Don't worry though, our team has it all covered. In this video, we'll be showing you the 7 highest rated cordless drills in the market. The team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com have researched, assessed, and awarded ratings to all the cordless drills that will be presented in this video. We have selected our top-rated options for you, making it easier to decide which one to buy today. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. You're welcome to check us out on TrustedShoppingGuide.com for more of our research in the workshop, or alternatively, subscribe to this channel for regular updates. The first cordless drill in our list is the DEWALT cordless drill. The DEWALT sports a lightweight and compact profile, perfect for working in tight spaces. With a brushless motor, it delivers more time over its brushed counterpart with 340 unit watts of power ability. In terms of size, the drill measures 12.5 by 3.75 by 9.81 inches and weighs 2.6 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the DEWALT cordless drill a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: total balance and control. The ergonomic and comfortable grip allows for ideal balance and tool control for evenly drilled holes. LED light function. This light function, with a 20-second release delay, allows increased visibility in dim lighting. Half-inch single-sleeve ratcheting chuck. It allows a tight bit gripping strength for steady and secure drilling. High performance. Its high-speed transmission delivers 2 speed variations, which allow you to choose the best level of performance needed for the job. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, it doesn't come with any driver bits. The second cordless drill in our list is the GOXAWEE cordless drill. The GOXAWEE cordless drill is lightweight, comfortable to the grip, and highly versatile, containing a wide variety of extra bits so that you can finish any home task. It's also worth noting that they're all stored in a durable plastic tool case for safekeeping and convenient portability. The drill is powered with 1500 mAh batteries that fully charges in a single hour. As for its size, the tool measures 7.87 by 7.87 by 2.17 inches and weighs 3.83 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the GOXAWEE cordless drill a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: 250mm flexible shaft. This extends your application and allows you to work from awkward angles. Highly versatile. The drill kit comes with 3 types of drills for drilling wood, metal, plastic, marble, cement wall, ceramic tile, and other various surfaces. Precise control. The variable speed trigger allows you to control the drill with total accuracy. Rotational switch. This allows you to rotate the drill forward or reverse. Easy to use. Its auto-lock keyless chuck offers an automatic spindle lock that allows effortless changing of bits using just one hand. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, it doesn't have a battery level indicator. The third cordless drill in our list is the WORKPRO cordless drill. This cordless drill is powered by a 20-volt, 1.5 ampere lithium battery for strong and steady power and a long-lasting runtime. This tool is the ideal choice for effortless drilling in wood, metal, and plastic, while its pink theme makes it attractive for females who like to do rugged housework. The WORKPRO has dimensions of 12.2 by 7.48 by 4.53 inches and weighs 4.07 pounds in terms of size. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the WORKPRO cordless drill a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: 2-speed settings. The drill is designed with variable 2-speed settings, 0 to 400 rotations per minute and 0 to 1500 rotations per minute. 21+1 torque adjustment. The drill delivers 203 inch-pounds of maximum torque, while its 21+1 torque decision clutch offers precise torque adjustment. Comfortable grip. The drill tool features a soft grip handle, offering total comfort and less fatigue as you drill. LED light. This enables you to work in areas with dim lighting. Keeping all of that in mind, the things you should know before you buy the product are: ensure that the drill is fully charged on the first use for the best performance. The battery needs to be removed while charging so you can't charge and operate it simultaneously. The fourth cordless drill in our list is the CRAFTSMAN cordless drill. The CRAFTSMAN motor produces 280 unit watts, offering more than enough power for any drilling task. We would also like to highlight that it includes a 20-volt lithium-ion battery with high-performance cells that offer optimal runtime and increased power. In terms of size, the drill measures 10.88 by 2.75 by 10 inches and weighs 5.08 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the CRAFTSMAN cordless drill a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: 2-speed gearbox. This allows torque control, allowing you to deliver the amount of speed needed for the job. 1/2-inch keyless chuck. This makes it easy for you to change bits in mere seconds with minimal effort. LED light. This illuminates the area you're drilling, making it useful in places with little to no lighting. Easy storage. The drill is made with a VersaTrack hang hook, allowing you to hang it effortlessly for convenient storage and proper maintenance. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, be sure not to accidentally hit the spin direction switch, which is often pressed while drilling. The 5th cordless drill in our list is the AVID powered cordless drill. The AVID powered cordless drill features a 15+1 precision clutch that delivers optimal drilling and screw driving control performance. It comes in a compact and lightweight profile, allowing it to be stored in relatively tight spaces. Included in the package is a 22-piece accessory set with 10 drill bit pieces, 10 driver bits, an extension bar for sticking it on a fastener, and a flexible shaft. In terms of size, the drill measures 8.66 by 3.15 by 9.65 inches and weighs 2.2 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the AVID Powered Cordless Drill a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: variable speed trigger. This allows you to operate at the optimal speed when working through softwoods, hardwoods, plastics, and metals. Ergonomic rubber handle. This ensures a solid, comfortable grip that provides maximum control. LED light. This feature ensures superior visibility while working in areas with insufficient lighting. Forward and reverse switch. This enables screw driving or unscrewing with the utmost ease. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, it doesn't have a bubble level for even drilling. The 6th cordless drill in our list is the BLACK+DECKER cordless drill. The BLACK+DECKER sports a compact and lightweight design, allowing for ease of use in different scenarios. It's powered by a 20-volt lithium-ion battery and can reach speeds of up to 750 rotations per minute. In terms of size, the drill measures 8.94 by 4 by 7.75 inches and weighs 4.25 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the BLACK+DECKER cordless drill a 5-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: highly versatile. It includes a 30-piece variety of bits and accessories for various drilling and driving tasks. 24-position clutch. This offers added control and prevents tripping and overdriving of screws. Comfortable grip and control. The soft grip handle features an ergonomic design for easy maneuverability. Power Connect battery system. The interchangeable battery system means you can use a single battery for different tools. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, be sure to drill slowly but surely, as too much force and blindly pressing it as hard as you can wear out the engine quickly. The 7th cordless drill in our list is the BOSCH cordless drill. This cordless drill by Bosch is a lightweight powerhouse with 265 pounds of max torque and speeds up to 1,300 rotations per minute. It's also worth mentioning that the drill offers 20+1 clutch settings for precise user control in any job. In terms of dimensions, the drill measures only 7 inches in length and weighs 1.8 pounds in weight, making it the perfect choice for working in tight spaces. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the BOSCH cordless drill a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: high performance to weight ratio. The drill offers professional-grade power at an extremely lightweight, making it the ideal choice for individuals who do a great deal of head drilling or driving. Highly versatile. The drill's high torque plus its 2-speed settings enable it to take on materials such as drywall, wood, and metal. Long battery life. The Bosch comes with 2 12-volt lithium-ion batteries for extended runtime. Convenient LED lights. The Bosch is equipped with integrated LED lights that improve visibility in low-light areas. Keeping all that in mind, the things you should know before you buy the product are, it sports a fat handle so it can be awkward for individuals with small-sized hands. The battery is a bit hard to remove for charging. And there you have it, folks, our 7 highest-rated cordless drills, which got our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com excited this year. If you have any contenders for our next cordless drill roundup, which you would like our team to test, do drop it in the comments section below, and we'll be sure to assess them for our next update. If you like this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our tech ropes great. We look forward to seeing you at the TrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.